Detmore 101 here with another Makes Money or Costs Money product review / tool review. Today we are talking about these Goldblatt Horseshoe Spacers. Now these are the 1/16. You can get them in various sizes, but these are my favorite tile spacers to use for subway tiles, marble tiles, any sort of tile that you're sort of working horizontally up or vertically. What's wrong with me? Vertically up a wall. I don't know what it is about these, but I just find them to be consistent and nice to work with. I really can't have enough of them, and I think they're a great product. It's sort of easy to see if they are caked with thin set, and they should be thrown away. But great product, not much to say about them. They're a money maker. They're easy to remove later. They're bigger, so you're not futzing with them like a little tiny spacer, and th're consistent. So that's a money making tool. Get them while it's hot.